to the video today. So there's never a perfect time to start. There's never that perfect moment where we have to get going or it feels comfortable. Every decision, every move we make that's actually of any value usually comes from a place of discomfort and a place of not knowing or uncertainty. And usually that's where the best ideas take place, where we're not sure of where this might lead, but we know we've got a good idea, a good inspiration, but we're having that back and forth on how will I get started, when will I get started, or I'll put it off till tomorrow, and then tomorrow turns into a week, and a week turns into a month, and then a month turns into a year, and then before we know it, there's a year gone past, there's another year gone past, and we've still not moved. And procrastination, you might want to call it, or just being lazy, or just not having that desire, or enduring through the uncomfort to make something of yourself. And again, so many of us need to start moving through this discomfort, embracing the change. When things are going wrong and things are folding in on us, or we've been through some traumatic experiences, heartbreak, job loss, whatever it might be, that's your perfect opportunity to get started. Start building, start creating, start moving in a direction of someone that will be proud looking back in a year or two's time from now, knowing that you did move and that you did sacrifice and you did want better for your life. And it doesn't really matter, and I'm not saying this in a harsh way, but the more endurance and the more stress and disappointments you've been through, there's no better place to start than at that point, because you've got every reason to be better. You've got every reason to prove the people that doubted you, or the people that overlooked you for years and years and said that you wouldn't be anything, or that you weren't worth anything. This is the perfect time to get going. You don't have to have it all figured out. You don't have to make drastic moves. You just have to make better decisions each and every day. And if you can show up for yourself and make that one change each and every day, by the end of that year, that potential year that you could have lost through procrastination and being lazy, each step that you make, then baby steps that you make, will shape for a better future and a better life that you will live in the not too near distant future. So use today as that starting block. Maybe wake up, make your bed in the morning that you've probably got out of the last few weeks and just left. Little things, little changes. If you're looking for some direction, you're looking for some guidance, please check out the descriptions below, as I have some valuable tools that can help you get going if you're struggling right now, and take the steps to improve your life. I'm only recording these videos as somebody who's been through a world of shit and had so many mishaps and failures, to keep showing up every day and just get started and keep moving forward. Despite the doors that have been slammed in your face, despite the rejections that you felt, the doors will open, is only if you don't give up on yourself. So if you did like this video, I'm not going to waffle on too much. I'm going to be back on here and doing more videos to try and give people a bit more of an idea of you know, what we can be doing, where we should be going, what we should be aspiring to be. And ultimately that's what these videos are for. And again, if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and a like would be much appreciated, and a subscribe would be even better. But I'm going to start rolling this content out and sharing some of the strategies and things you can implement in your life to start shifting and shaping your life to be a better version of what it is now. And I believe that so many of us are worth so much more than what we've been giving to ourselves. So let's do this. You've got this. I'll see you on the next video.